data collection, information sharing is much more uniform and much more easier. And at the same time, the danger is there that it is so much that you need a dashboard to understand the dashboards.
Yeah.
And so that's what I see. And so you need to be very critical in what is really important and what is needed for a leader somewhere in a company to really drive safety.
And I think in general, technology means a lot of information. People read less. They read only a top paragraph. There is a big danger in general for health and safety because, when you have a 5-page procedure, you people will probably not read it anymore. Also, there's a perception that technology can actually be control the risks, and actually we know that technology can help, but actually the person is the one who makes the decision about. At the end of this, So I think there are, as we said, there are a lot of advantages, but there are also risks to.
So we're doing a lot of work on automation and looking at how we can use drones to eliminate high-risk activity. We do a lot of inspection on critical assets, and can we eliminate that through drones? And the other element, just like you were saying, looking at the data, and particularly what we're really interested now is looking at the free field text when employees report information. Can we use this emerging technology of AI to pick up keywords and make it much faster?
If we want to attract the right people for the next generation in there, we need to be quicker and smarter about how we use technology, because their world is so different. And I don't feel we always use the advantage of AI and data mapping and everything. And we need to be able to listen to them. How can we use technology better? And be open to saying it's not scary to use AI because there can be advantages to maybe actually looking at the data more proactively, but still, I think still the key part is making sure we don't lose sight of the human elements. You've got to do the balance of the technology and the human part.
Sure,
but
we had actually somebody that is doing the predictive analysis. And this is amazing because, as you say, you have we call it data mining. This person is using is that you have so much data, and you can actually use the data not only from safety but also financial data. And then you can predict the incidents or predict some trends. So it is there is a huge opportunity for us and us to contribute also to with our data to for security, safety data, health data.
What excites me most about technology is actually the more practical aspects that we're seeing. The using drones to eliminate workers' height and inspection. We're doing that for roof inspections on some of our sites now, and that is eliminating those guys going up on roofs. For some time now, we've had forklift trucks fitted with automatic daily check input devices on the forklift truck. So the guy does his daily check, and the forklift truck won't start until that daily check is completed. Near miss reporting from a mobile phone. Really useful because everybody's got a phone and we can get that data in really, really quickly. And also looking to the future, I really like this idea where we can fit vehicles, forklift trucks, or put sensors in warehouses, and when they detect events, they can create incidents in a platform. So that data starts to get logged and we can see where the incidents are happening, when they're happening.
So we have gas alarms where people go into confined space. And then what happens is they come out the confined space, and if the gas alarm activated or alarm for any reason, we then say to them, you need to fill a form in, you need to go into the system. So this idea about connecting so that we're not eliminating the human, we're just saying, let's make it easier for you. And if that's a critical risk for us, which it is, because confined space is a fatality prevention for us all, then how do we get more data and more information that can help us actually learn more and make it easier for the individual rather than having to keep filling in the forms all the time?